Hello guys, how are you? I think all is well. I am Saddam Hussein, owner of English. Today I share all of you most important topics, most valuable topics in your life. So, when any person, when anyone follow these topics, follow this line, that's line change your mind and change your future life, change your everything. So you can become the strong mentality person, strong, powerful person, and you become quickly success in your life. So let us come to this point. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Don't believe that you are weak. Don't believe that you are half crazy. Lunatics, as most of us do nowadays. You can do anything and everything without even the guidance of anyone. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Now I am going to analysis in this line. In these lines, don't wait. Let us come to this points. The biggest failure is the failure of mind. We are not defeated unless the mind gives up. We have all experienced this from time to time when we have the willpower to do anything. We can create miracles, but we keep on doubting our abilities. Faith can move mountains. So we have faith a farm. So if we have a firm belief in ourselves, we can feel a new dimension of energy inside us. If we experience ourselves to be extremely powerful, then even the mountain like situation looks like an ant, ant. Now is question. Now is question. How to apply it? How to apply it? First of all, we must spend time with ourselves and talk to ourselves. We must start working on our weaknesses rather than just counting them. Second of all, we must not don't bother about what others have to say about us. When we are true to ourselves, no one else matters. No one else matters. Whenever someone tries to put you down. Let it pass like a storm and stay calm and strong. Third of all, we must try using the power of affirmations. We can make a list of 5 positive affirmations that makes us feel positive and energized. Here are my favorite fives that I practice daily early in the morning for 15 minutes. First, I'm a strong, great, healthy, and excellent person. Second, I can sense in the world. Third, I have a lot of potential. That potential, that base of potential, one day I become the most successful person in the world. I have a lot of potential. Third, I have a lot of potential. I am ready for doing of hard work. Fourth, I am ready doing of hard work. Fifth, I love, I like everyone, everyone. At last, I promise or request, when you feel yes, something help in this video for you, please, or when you first time visit in my new YouTube channel, please one like, comment and subscribe in my channel. Many thanks for watching my video. See you next video.